Alright guys, how are you doing? Welcome back. Today we're actually doing, well, it's a glorious day for starters, but I made up this grass tying harrow say last year, and I made it up for the A90 tractor we had. I'll throw a little picture up of that one there now. You can see what she's like, because I've mentioned her a couple of times and never showed her what she is. But I had them made for like I said, the A90. So our the Landini we have now, she won't they won't fit there. So a quick little job this morning. What I'm going to do, I have two tacked on already. I want to stick them plates on the angles where we used to hook up the A92. So we're going to stick them on there. This is now just only a quick job, that's all, but it'll do. There's no weight in this yoke and like that. So we'll get that done, try and get a bit of grass harrowing done, and we'll take it up from there. Now, we'll show you one there after a welding it and see what she looks like. She's still smoking. So we can see it all. So yeah, one more to do now, and that'll have it ready for, well, a small bit of paint if I can find some, but that'll have it ready for a bit of grass harrowing there shortly. That's it now, folks. That worked out well there. I don't have no proper paint for them, so the bit of galv spray may do for the time being till I get a couple of tins of spray paint for them. But yeah, now we get that on the tractor and we get her out into the field and we do a bit of grass harrowing. Now that's on there now, so Tyler's heading off. It's only a little bit of field beside the house there, so won't take long to do now. So we'll go and get the gate open for him. Now, as you can see, what we're going to be doing here is where the hay racks used to be. There's 4 spots there. So, I did mention before that we're going to reseed this whole field, but with the way the weather went, couldn't get done. So, we'll just give it a quick topping of grass seed. Hopefully that should do the best. Alright, drive on. Right. I have a few little issues with her here. She's leaning down forward an awful lot. I'd say what we're going to do is get a longer bar there. Have you got one inside? Now, it's still not dry enough here. So that is one place where we had a round feeder earlier on in the year. So we'll let them go over the top part here where all the round feeders were, but I think myself now we may just give it another week or so before we throw a bit of grass seed. Maybe give it a quick scratch today and come back in a few days time maybe and do it again. That's that. Yeah. Round feeders in the field. I knew it was a bad idea. Yeah, so you can see where there's still water pooling there. So now I say we may call a halt to this one, I say. Till it gets give another maybe a week for drying. Let's see. We'll see him going through it here again now, see if it'll make any difference. Nah, she's spinning too much there. Look, maybe she might dry a bit more when something's not going through like that, but look, we'll see. I don't think we'll be spreading any grass seeds today anyway. Still way too wet. Yeah, so no, we're going to have to come up with plan B for this. So we are, yeah, plan B is spray it off, plough it, re-sow it. Yeah, maybe, we'll see. Anyways, we'll leave Matt and we'll see what it looks like when it's finished. It's actually not doing a bad job. If you can see the lines along there, she is ripping out the bit of moss and stuff like that, but just where the round feelers are, yeah, they're still very wet, so we'll probably just go over and give them a good scutching and leave them for a while, and maybe tomorrow I might give them another one over right where the round feelers are, only say. Probably maybe some evening during the week when I'm home from work, nights are still bright, we might get out then and spread a bit of the grass seed up around there. No, it's hard to know. We'll see what we'll do. Now we're back out here. It's been a couple of days now since we were out here scratching this bit of ground where they had the brown feeders. Still not great, still wet, but we're going to have to throw a bit of grass seed on them anyway because the rain is coming. We're given rain there for what is today, Wednesday, Thursday, tomorrow sometime. So we said we'll throw a bit of grass seed on them anyway, and hopefully try and roll it later on if we get a chance. Yeah, so and see what she like there, sure. Open her up there and we'll see. I have it open, yeah, sorry, I have it open, yeah. We'll just see what it's like. See what rate is coming out. Oh, Jesus. That didn't sound good, Kyle. Still a bit wet there, but you look at it, nothing really we can do about it, where the weather's going. Still look, she should green up nicely now. We'll try and put a bit of manure on that now, say before the weekend as well. Give it all a good go then. So once Kyle is done, he's going to be scratching it again. Try and cover up the bit of grass seed that's out, and maybe roll her later on as well. Now we're here rolling. Is that get late and even there now? So we just picked that up off a neighbour of ours there. It's light enough. It wouldn't be all that heavy, but it'll do for what we're doing with it. So if we can get them out, where the what do we call it, was the brown feeders were, it should be okay. So good. I'm going to leave it there for this week, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And sure, look, go on. We'll catch you in the next one, alright? Good luck. Thanks.